Top Animals TV.
6 amazing facts about female German Shepherd. What makes a female German Shepherd dog different from a male German Shepherd dog? As you will soon discover, there are many ways to examine and attempt to answer this important question. For some people, aside from simple size, weight, and height considerations, there really is no important or measurable difference between a male and a female German Shepherd. But for other people, even the subtle differences between a male and a female German Shepherd can be sufficiently important to make one gender a preferable choice to the other in certain specific situations. In this article, we will take a close look at the unique temperament, personality, and characteristics of female German Shepherd dogs to help you decide which gender of GSD may be the right choice for you. Number 1. Female German Shepherd size, height, and weight. A. Size, height, and weight difference. The female GSD stands 22 to 24 inches high, paw to shoulder, a full 2 inches shorter than the male. And the female GSD will weigh between 50 and 70 pounds, which makes her about 15 pounds lighter than the adult male. Of course, these weight generalizations may vary depending on any given puppy's parents. B. Feminization. The female GSD is often described as having a less stocky, leaner, lighter, and more graceful appearance overall. C. Coat color and pattern. The bicolor coat pattern is the most common and recognized color for the German Shepherd dog of either gender. In most cases, you will find a black female German Shepherd that displays one other secondary coat color, either cream, red, tan, or silver. In certain cases, you may see a single color GSD in blue, gray, liver, sable, or white, although these are not breed standard colors and may render your dog at fault or deemed ineligible. Certainly in the case of the white coat color, for the show ring. There is no gender-related differentiation in overall coat color or pattern that is seen in the male versus female German Shepherd. Number 2. Female German Shepherd personality and temperament. The German Shepherd female temperament can also show marked differences in behavior and personality that can be related back to her gender. Whether these differences are present and how apparent they may be will vary depending on the traits of the specific parent dogs, which is why it is important to be able to meet and get to know each parent dog as you are selecting between male and female German Shepherd puppies. Experienced GSD breeders and trainers often cite the following presentation and personality differences you may see more frequently or more overtly in the female German Shepherd temperament. The female GSD is less likely to guard her items, be that a favorite toy, a treat or meal, a certain family member, etc. The female German Shepherd is more likely to bond equally with more than one family member, aside from the principal person responsible for training and meals. The girl German Shepherd is considered a better pick for whole family protection, versus one-to-one protection, including but not limited to personal security, guarding, hunting, military, police, or canine work. The female GSD may be easier to train and more sensitive to commands and cues. The female GSD may be a better pick for service dog or therapy dog work. The female German Shepherd can be a better pick for rally, agility, and obedience training due to lighter weight, smaller size, and more graceful body structure. The girl German Shepherd is often a better pick overall for families with young children. The female GSD is considered less apparent to become territorial in the presence of strangers. The female German Shepherd dog may be a better pick for first-time dog owners, families with young children, or individuals, families primarily desiring a pet dog. Number 3. Female German Shepherd health issues and testing. There are some health issues that both male and female GSDs share in common. According to the Canine Health Information Center, (CHIC), these issues include hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, cardiac issues, eye issues, autoimmune thyroiditis, and degenerative myelopathy. Only hip and elbow dysplasia are currently required tests for reputable breeders, with the remainder being optional, recommended, health tests. A. Hemophilia. German Shepherds can sometimes contract a blood disease called hemophilia. Female German Shepherd dogs are usually carriers and, unlike males with the genes for the condition, will not show symptoms. There is a health test to detect this disease, which is present from birth. B. Idiopathic epilepsy. Data surveys show that idiopathic epilepsy, a genetic condition that is considered common to the breed, is less likely to impact female German Shepherd dogs and is more common in males. The reason is not yet known, although researchers suspect there may be several genes, polygenetic, involved. C. Spaying. While spaying is often recommended for female German Shepherd dogs who will not be bred, it is not without its own possible set of health risks. It is thought that certain health conditions are more prevalent in female GSD dogs who are spayed early in life, 12 months or younger, because spaying removes certain gender-related hormones that can be influential to overall health. One study found that cases of urinary incontinence, 7% increase in cases, mammary cancer, 3% increase in cases, and joint disorders, 11% increase in cases, significantly increased for female GSD dogs who were spayed before the age of 12 months. Veterinarians and researchers consider any dog spayed before the age of 1 year to be early neutered. This is statistically significant and something to carefully consider, since dogs that are in the early neutered category are more likely to develop life-threatening cancer, especially reproductive cancers, uterine, mammary, that can cause an earlier death. Delaying the spaying of your female GSD until after the 12-month mark may potentially cut the risk of any or all of these spay-related health issues. This is definitely a question worth discussing with your veterinarian. D. Bloat. Both male and female German Shepherd dogs are at risk of gastric dilation volvulus, GDV, more commonly known as bloat. Bloat is life-threatening and can be fatal without prompt treatment. The risk of a GSD developing bloat increases with